What if your phone could help you stop wasting money, save more every month, and even make smarter financial decisions without spending hours tracking every dollar? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what some AI tools are doing for thousands of people right now. And here's the crazy part. Most people are still managing their money the same way they did 5 years ago, while others are using AI to gain a serious financial advantage. So if you want to save money, avoid financial mistake, and make your work money faster, hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay until the end because the last AI tool might be the most useful one of the list. Let's get started. Our first is why AI is changing personal finance. Let's be honest. Managing money is not easy. Every month money comes in and money goes out. Bills, subscription, food, shopping, even entertainment. And before you know it, your bank accounts look a lot of smaller than it did a few weeks ago. The biggest problem is not always that people does make enough money. The real problem is that many people does not know exactly where their money is going. This is where AI become incredibly powerful. Instead of manually tracking every expense, AI can automatically analyze your spending patterns and show you things you might never notice on your own. For example, AI might discover that you are spending $150 every month on subscription you barely use. Or maybe you are ordering takeout too often, you are spending an extra $300 each month without realizing it. Small habits create big finances and AI helps uncover those habits. Our second part is rocket money. The first tool I can tell you is Rocket Money. This AI tool became extremely popular because it solves a problem almost everyone has: unused subscription. Most people does not know this, but many Americans are paying for services that completely forgot about. Maybe it's a streaming service, maybe it's a fitness app, maybe it's cloud storage, maybe it's something you signed up for months ago. Rocket Money connects to your accounts and use AI to identify recurring changes. Within minutes, you can see exactly where your subscription money is going. Imagine finding out you are spending $75 or even $100 every month on things you don't use. That's over $1,000 a year. Listen carefully. Saving money is often easier than earning extra money, and cutting unnecessary expenses is one of the fastest ways to improve your finance. So our second is Celo. CELO is spelling. Celo feels more like a smart financial friend than a traditional finance app. It uses AI to analyze your spending habits and give personalized feedback. For example, Celo might tell you you are spending more on restaurants this month than usual, or your shopping expenses increased by 20% compared to last month. Most people don't receive this kind of real financial awareness, and awareness change behavior. When you know where your money is going, you are far more likely to make better decisions. That's why tools like Celo have become so popular among younger adults trying to improve their financial habits. So our second is Moranch Money. Monarchmoney. It's spelling. This is one of the most advanced personal financial platforms available today. Think of it as a financial command center. It brings together your bank accounts, investment, credit card, loans, and savings account in one place. The AI helps identify spending trends, monitors financial goals, and give insights about your overall financial health. This is important because most people look at money one account at a time. Successful people using look at their entire financial picture. So our next is ChatGPT for budget planning. Here some things most people don't realize. You can actually use ChatGPT itself to improve your financial. For example, you can tell ChatGPT, my monthly income is $4,000. My rent is $1,200. Create a realistic budget. Within seconds, it can generate a detailed spending plan. You can also ask things like, how can I save an extra $200 per month? What are smart ways to reduce unnecessary expense? Help me create a debate payoff strategy. Of course, ChatGPT is not a financial advisor, but it can be a powerful brainstorming partner when it comes to organizing your money. So yeah, the truth is simple. AI will not magical make you rich, but it can help you make smarter decisions. It can help you find wasteful spending. It can help you build better habits. It can help you stay organized. And over time, those small improvements can make a huge difference. Remember, financial success is not about being perfect. It's about making silently better decisions every day. And AI can help you do exactly that. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below which AI tool would you try first. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.